Uses and fineness of gold. Uses. It is used in coinage, jewellery, and ornamental vessels. Gold leaf is used for decorations, lettering, and in medicine as tonic. Purple of Cassius, which is a combination of gold with colloidal stannic hydroxide, is used for making ruby red glass and high-class pottery. Fineness of gold. The content of an alloy of gold is termed its fineness and is generally expressed in carats. Pure gold is 24 carats. Ornaments available these days are made of 18 karat gold, which is an alloy containing 18 parts by weight of gold alloyed with 6 parts by weight of another metal, generally copper. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.